So, hello everyone, I'm Paramita and I'm from BHM City 4th year. So, I'm here to say a few words on this beautiful family you all are going to be a part of. So, let me first tell you that you all are welcome to this beautiful GNHM, and we are really lucky to have you all. I'm not a great speaker, believe me, I'm not a great speaker, but I'm here to say my feelings for this college. This college has given me so much. My life has changed after entering to this college. We have gained so much. My confidence is up here because of my faculty's help. Our faculties help us every day to grow our personality, our skills, and the biggest thing is you're going to enter here as a different person, and when you come out of this college you will literally be a very different person. You'll gain your confidence, you'll gain the way you want to speak, the way you want to deal this world. This college not just helps you to deal with this struggling world, but also helps you to deal with the struggles for the industry. This college is so much connected to the industry that you will learn every basics. You come here, you start from the basics, and the end of your course you are going to master all skills. I just want to say that the faculties here are great, amazing. They're not just faculties or teachers, they are our friends. I have been friends with all my teachers. They are so amazing. You're not even going to feel like you're having a great strict class, but you're going to have a friendly discussion. You're having a friendly discussion. This college even helps you to deal with that, in what we say it, the interview rounds and all. We literally practice it all the time, that how to deal with interviews helps us so much. I'm really lucky to be a part of this. And mostly I have done my training from Dubai a few months back. So when I came back, we had some problems due to the BHM City, the Macau and all. But this college has so much and so amazing faculties. They helped us to just overcome. If you have some problems, you come here, your faculties are definitely going to help you. Okay. And the biggest thing, my dream of being in Dubai was literally fulfilled by this college. This college helped me to go to Dubai. I am really lucky to be a part of it, and I'm really happy that you all are going to be a part of it. Enjoy. You are going to have a great time here.
Good morning, one and all. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and doing good. I welcome you all to the induction program 2020 of GNIHM, that is Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. I am Sehjpreet Singh Basin, a third year student of National Council, and I will be passing out in a month or so. But I would really be missing my college life, as it was very much fun. I explored everything. I enjoyed every moment at GNIHM, as it was the best college. And when I started 3 years back, I was amongst everyone who was shy, who couldn't express their selves. I was very afraid to speak out anything, and I was like, no, I will just keep it to myself. I will not express anything out. So guys, but teachers and everyone motivated me, helped me to come out of that afraid things, to come out of my comfort zone and perform out. So I learned eventually what is to be done, how the events are to be managed. And at GNIHM you have the best chefs, Chef Vikas Khanna, Chef Kamal Kapoor, Chef Sanjeev Kapoor. You have best chefs coming up for your induction program, for your culinary guidance. You have everything available at the door. So guys, take that, उसका फ़ायदा उठाइए, उसको पूरा कीजिए अपनी लाइफ. And don't feel shy, don't feel out of the world. Be proud of what you are, what you will be at after 3 years. You would be, and everything will end soon. This pandemic, this COVID-19, everything would end soon, and everything would get back to normal. and people will be needing hotel management people, or the kitchen might be needing new chefs, freshers. So don't go in that stance that this industry has been hit up. No, it will stand up again. And the placement of GNIHM is good, is very good. You can apply for abroad opportunities. You can do your IT abroad. You can do your anything abroad. I also applied for Australia when I just completed my course. So after I complete my course, I do my examinations, I would be flying out to Australia soon. All the paperwork and everything will be done. But I must tell you guys that do not feel shy. What you are facing problems, just tell your teachers. What all you don't understand, just tell your teachers and give your best shot. Give your best. I was a very shy guy. I was very introvert guy, but learned a lot from GNIHM. Every teacher, that is Anrupa ma'am, Sanchari ma'am, BD sir, BB sir, every teacher, Sudipto sir, helped me, personally helped me a lot. बहुत हेल्प किया इन लोगों ने मुझे. कुछ मैं आज जो मैं हूँ अपनी लाइफ में, आज जो मैं आपको एक स्पीच दे रहा हूँ, वो सब इन लोग की बदौलत है, वो सब इन लोग की वजह से है. आज सीरियसली I owe these things to them. GNIHM has given me that platform that I can express myself to you people, and guys, everything would come back to normal. Everything. Don't feel that this industry is not appropriate for you. You have chosen a best industry. This industry, everywhere you go, abroad, India, anywhere, hospitality industry is the most exclusive industry. People need you there. And Indian guys, Indian girls are preferred a lot, because Indian hospitality is the hospitality which foreigners look up to, which people look up to. So guys, GNIHM is one of the best college you have chosen, and yeah, you would be, I am saying it today, you would be realizing it after 1 year when you start up classes, when you start your normal routine life in college, when you will see Chef Kunal Kapoor, Chef Vikas Khanna, Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, Chef Damodaram, and many more who are coming to the college and giving you the tips and culinary culinary classes. So yeah, it would be a very good thing that you have chosen GNIHM, and all the best. Do well in your life, and yeah, I will be meeting you soon in the industry, and hope everything gets back to normal soon. Bye. Thanks.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Devashi Dashgupta and I am a finalist student under the National Council of Hotel Management and Catering Technology by Gunarak Institute of Hotel Management. So moving out with my introduction, I belong from Bardhaman. My hometown is basically in Bardhaman, and I've pursued a 3 years bachelor degree. I'm pursuing a 3 years bachelor degree course in hotel management and hospitality, and I have done my internship from the Park, Kolkata. So the reason that I was asked to make this video is for my new friends, better to say my brothers and sisters who are joining the college as freshie. So a big congratulations to everyone for joining the college. And the most fabulous thing that I'm going to share is my experience during my internship days. Trust me guys, it was amazing. Like a person who is totally new in this hospitality industry, stepping over in the college, holding a million of thoughts, like I'm newbie to the college, so what are my seniors gonna do ragging with me? So just to let you know, Gunarak Institute of Hotel Management is totally ragging free, and myself being a senior, I can claim you that we are really very polite and humble to our juniors. We're gonna help them in each and every situation that they're gonna face, either that's related to study or related to their personal life. As much as we can, or as much as I can assure that I am gonna help you regarding that. So moving further with the topic that I'm gonna discuss with you today is my experience as a freshie in the GNIHM. So we were asked to stand in a queue entering in the hotel, like standing in a queue with more than 1,000 of students makes some palpitation in yourself. I don't know whether it happens to you, but it was happening to me. Then after that we are guided by the seniors to reach the seminar hall, and later we are asked to get seated and wait for a moment. And then the moment of truth happened when Master Chef Kunal Kapoor entered the seminar hall. We were stood up, clapped for him, and rather shouted for him, like seeing a celebrity in front of our eyes. It's a different feeling. And just to let you know, Kunal Kapoor is a brand ambassador of GNIHM, so he keeps on visiting the college, interacting with the students, taking sessions with them, and also conducting culinary classes so that you may learn a lot from him. After the session with Master Chef Kunal Kapoor, we had session with the professors of a college where they introduced themselves and also elaborated that the departments they are undertaking, like the front office, admin service, housekeeping and food production. Then we are shown some tips that you need to maintain while studying in hotel management college, like proper grooming, proper attire, proper dressing, etc, like all the itinerary that you need to maintain. And after that, an interesting session started, which I thought that it's really unique, like I've never seen that in my time. But later on I have also conducted that we call ice breaking. In ice breaking session, we ask all the students that anyone is there, whether he or she is good at singing, dancing, rap, beatboxing, whatever it is, they are asked to come to the stage and perform. This helps in gaining confidence to the student to come on the stage, introduce themselves, be fluent. It's also very important in this industry because you need to be very professional while dealing with the guest and very elaborative. So after the end of the ice breaking session, we were served food, and it's also a very delightful part for me because I was, or rather everyone was served biryani. So this is how my induction days ended, or my induction day ended. Basically we have 4 sessions in 4 different days. So ending up with this, I'd like to thank Anurupa ma'am for giving me this absolutely fabulous opportunity. Thank you so much, ma'am, for letting me speak to my juniors, to my brothers and sisters. And cheers to all for joining the GNIHM family. Thank you so much.
Namaste. This is me, Avneet Kaur, and today I would like to share some of my experience in my temple, Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. How does it feel when you get to share most of your time with a stranger and that stranger turns out to be a very good friend of yours? How does it feel when a teacher who's very new to you giving you the same level of compassion, love and guidance that you usually get from your parents? It gives you such a nice feeling. But when you get to experience this very closely, it completely changes you. This change happened in me only because of Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. I believe that I am a completely changed person of what was I 2 years before. I still remember it was my orientation program. I was so shy, so nervous, unaware of my real potential, was sitting at the cornermost chair in the hall, hiding myself, was so scared. What happens if somebody calls me on the stage, wants me to speak? What am I going to say? I was watching all the great personalities like Chef Vikas Khanna, Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, Chef Kunal Kapoor coming on the stage, speaking to all the students, sharing their life experiences, giving a real inspirational speech. It was like a dream come true to me, as I have never ever imagined them to watch live. I had already watched them in the television, and that day they were standing in front of me, and I, being the nervous one, couldn't even utter a word. As the days passed, I started with my studies, and I realized that the college is giving me enough freedom to understand my potentials and to nurture it. I learned that the hard work and dedication can change anybody. And eventually, I started to regain the self-confidence I had already lost. There were so many competitions held in the college, ICC competitions, Nestle competitions, mixology, events like Aram, Fashionista, and a very supportive teacher, always encouraging us to take part in it. They always told us that winning or losing is not important. What is important is that we learn something from our mistakes. and I'm so very grateful to them. I still remember that the ICC competitions and the Nestle competitions was held in the same day, and we had to prepare for our exam also, which was scheduled in the another day. I believe that our respected principals scheduled this only because Sir wanted us to learn to handle the pressures. And this is not only important in our college life, also in our professional life. And then came the internship period. I got selected in Taj, and I'm very happy about that. My most of the friends were selected in Oberoi's, Hyatt, and many 5-star properties. A very good friend of mine also gets selected in USA in a very good hotel. Some of my friends went to Mauritius, Singapore. And we all believe that this has been possible only because of the guidance we got from Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. And today, after completing 2 successful years, this final year student believes that the decision she has taken 2 years before about getting her name enrolled in Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, JIS University, was the best decision of her life, and she is really very proud of it. I may pass out from this college in the coming year, but the memories, the learnings, the guidance I'm taking with me will always remain with me and will guide me throughout my life to always walk in the correct path and to take the right decisions. The real happiness doesn't come when you're sharing with the loved ones or your friends. Rather, the real happiness comes when you're sharing with strangers. This is what I learned in the environment. Our teachers always used to tell us that respect is something that not only teachers deserve, but the workers working in the canteen, in the college, making all the effort to make the college maintain its standard, also deserves to be respected equally. And I'm very, very grateful to my teachers. I still remember the words of our respected principal sir, that learning is not something that we can only do from our parents, friends, or teachers. Rather, learning is something that can be done from anybody, starting from a mere sweeper to a very great scientist. And our teachers, in addition of being my friends, they have also guided me the lessons, not only in my book, but also the lessons that were in my life. Thank you so much to all our teachers. And I know that all the thanks in the world and whatever I do won't be sufficient enough to return for what I got from my teachers.
Hello everyone, good morning to every last one of you watching this video, and a warm welcome to all the freshers to Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management. Myself Sonia.
Myself Shairi Ganguly. We are both from final year National Council. We are eagerly waiting to know you all, to help you all enter the whole new amazing world of college and one very much happening part of your life.
You are already one step closer by choosing our college, one of the best hotel management college with a huge infrastructure and excellent bunch of faculty members.
2 years ago, we were just like you. Some of us were confident and ready to go to college, just like my friend. And some of us were totally clueless, like what's happening? But pretty soon, we became peas in a pod. Just like you are going to find your best friend, your crush, and things you didn't sign up for.
Right from every morning 9:50 to evening 5, you all are going to be together. You all are going to spend your whole day with your friends from now onwards for next 3 to 4 years in your college. So your classmates are just not your friends. they are going to become your family as
Asking
well.
for notes to being punished and being scolded in class to sharing lunch in canteen and making fun of each other.
From completing late night assignments to following your dreams, they will become a part of your life.
Let's come to the rules. From senior to junior. Number 1. Your seniors are always right. Number 2. Do whatever your senior says. Number 3. In case of any confusion, follow rule number 1. Just kidding. We are here to help you guys. And we are going to get along amazingly. We are here to help. So feel free to reach out.
We are dying to meet all of you. We really hope that this pandemic will end soon and we will be meeting with all of you very soon. Once again, we the students of Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management welcome all our freshers and wish all of you a very best of luck for your upcoming journey. Thank you.
Hello and good morning to each and everyone present over here, and especially the freshers who have came for their new journey up with a fresh start. So before going ahead, I would like to express my gratitude to the one who have given me this opportunity to welcome you all. So this day is a special day for you all, and this day is the very first day of your college life. I know you must be having a mixed feeling, like how you will manage things, how you will live alone, how you will survive when you fail somewhere. So just one word I'll say: relax. Relax, everything will go smooth. No doubt this journey will going to be a roller coaster ride with success, growth, full of joy, full of memories. So the day you will end this journey, you will definitely going to miss all the years you have spent in this college. Well, today is a day of excitement to its peak. Literally, you are sitting over there. I was sitting right before 2 years back, and I was having the same question, but at the same time, I was excited to start this journey, to explore this journey. Event is to perfect with your increase in your friendship with your colleagues as well as your seniors. This place is not just only for the education and training, but also a building of personality. You will definitely grow in making your personality. You will definitely you will be feeling like where you are standing over here, and after 3 years you will see yourself in a different way. Like you have developed with your grooming standards, you have developed in your personalities, you have developed in your language, you know how to talk to your seniors, to your colleagues, and how you need to manage things. Everything will be developed, like a character of yours, and you will be a versatile person. I guarantee you for that. So be ready to capture new moments in your new journey. There must be a lot of questions flashing in your mind, like how is this the place, how are people, will I able to mix or not, will I able to get what I am searching for. So please relax. I'll say it again, please relax. Everything will be done smoothly, very smooth. Everything you do will be a smooth one. You will get assignments, you will get sometimes you will get a free classes, you will enjoy. Sometimes you will get a busy day where you need to do assignments, you need to attend classes, you need to attend practicals. It will be there, but be calm, be patient. Everything will be good over here. Your surrounding is good, you have got the seniors, you have got the teacher where you can reach out at any point of moment. You can reach to us, you can reach to your teacher. So in this pandemic situation, you are lucky that you got college, you got your own college with your with all what you want, you have got it. So make it go. Please be confident, at the same time be patient. Don't get overconfidence. Don't get overconfidence in yourself. Be confident, but so there you go. Rock. So finally, the last point that kill you is your spark is isolation. Don't keep yourself in isolation. Love yourself first, then others. Because as you will grow older, you will realize that you are unique. In childhood, everyone wants ice cream, Spider-Man, Batman, etc. But in a college, you need a life, right? You need a life where you can explore, you can have fun, you can learn things, you can work in a great hotels or big hotels. There will be a point where maybe you are like disappointed with yourself, but don't give up. Fight for it. There will be competitions going on. Take part in them. You participate and explore that thing. Like maybe you can have a cooking competition, go and participate. Like yes, you want to participate and rock on there. If there is some event is going on, and especially to the girls who like dancing, go dance with all your colors in you, because you are not here only for the studies. You are here to enjoy, you are here to learn, you are here to explore. So always try to participate, always try to be confident, and the most last thing, be properly groomed. Be properly groomed, smile. Like when you will work in an industry, they will say only one thing: you have any problem in life, but you need to smile in front of the guests. Learn to smile every time. Means if someone got scolded by their parents or had a fight with a friend, no need to think about that when you are in a college or you are working with industry. You just need to smile and forget every pains of yours. So there you go for your journey. I'll just conclude this, and I welcome you again to GNHM family with the most wonderful years of your life. So thank you and welcome you all.